Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. As you guys know, I've reviewed a lot of IEMs and I love budgets. IEMs because it gives beginner audiophile the way of listening to high fidelity music, alright, at a fraction of a cost. And one brand that I particularly love is this CCA brand, and what I have here today is the CCA Xyrra. I hope I pronounced it correctly, and this is the newer one from CCA, and this thing has really great built-in technology stuff that I will talk about it later on. But let me just go ahead and unbox this to see what we get inside the box itself. Okay, so we are taking it out and wow, okay, we are instantly greeted. Okay, I almost dropped that. We are instantly greeted with this pair of really nice and shiny looking earbuds right over here. Look at that. All right. Sorry, not earbuds. I would like to apologize in case you want to start to flame me in the comments. Pair of IEMs right here, okay? Look at that. Alright, so beautiful. Alright, man, let's take it out. I love the presentation of IEMs. They're just so good looking and they're so expensive, sophisticated looking that everyone from afar will think like, hey, this probably costs a few thousands of dollars. Really cool. Alright, we do get a user manual over here. Okay, we do get the wire itself. Let me just, yeah, we do get the wire itself, alright, for it to connect to the IEMs in your phone. And we do get a few ear tips inside this bag, which I'm not going to open it up because it's going to fly everywhere. Alright, that's there's a few different ear tips of different size inside here. So you have one that fits your ear really well. So these are the things that we get inside here. But now let's focus first on this pair of IEMs, which I'm most excited about. Alright, I mean, IEMs, they have never failed to surprise me with how good and how well built they are. Okay, so this is the Xyrra itself. Take a look at that yourself. Just admire it. Now let's put it under the light so you guys can see. Alright, how nice this pair of IEMs are. Look at that. Can you guys see how nice this pair of IEMs are? Alright, really nice translucent case over here. Alright, you guys can see all the drivers inside here. Alright, you guys can see every single driver, the detail over here. Alright, the balanced armature inside there. Alright, overall this just screams premium. Look at that. I always love to show you guys the IEMs itself and how good it looks. Alright, it just screams premium. Alright, IEMs, I don't know, it just screams so premium over here. We have a metallic front, alright, with a translucent case at the back so you can see every single internal workings inside here. Alright, it's really cool. Alright, so while I am connecting this, alright, and maybe let's not take this out, just need to connect this. Alright, so while I'm connecting this, let's just talk about what we have inside here. So what is actually built into here. So inside here we have a 10mm dynamic driver inside here, which is custom tuned, alright, by a pair of really good acoustic team. And also we have a custom, I think there's a model number for that, okay, 30118 balanced armature inside there. That is also fine-tuned by a team of really good audio listener and people that works on all these things. Okay, I couldn't describe them, alright, but yeah, it's fine-tuned to give you the best and the best audio quality and the best sounding quality there is out there. Okay, now you know what's inside here. Let's just put it on and actually see how it actually sounds like. So we're gonna just put this on here, so it just goes inside my ear. Okay, let me just get it properly in. First of all, it just feels really comfortable, sits in my ear really well, and it just fits the overall shape of my ear. So yeah, as you guys know, IEMs, they are more customized for singers, alright, or the musicians where they are custom fitted and molded into their ear shape. But this one just feels naturally, just goes inside my ear very naturally, and it really muffles out the sounds outside. So I think I would say that that's a good fit. So whenever time if you want to know if it fits your ear well, the moment you put it in and you can't really hear any outside noise, it's pretty much muffled up, you're just covering your ears with your hand, or like you just plugging your thumbs, your fingers inside your ear. If it feels like the same way that you cannot hear really much of the outside noise, means that, you know, it's well fitted and it looks, and yeah, for me it's definitely very well fitted right now, and this looks so nice. Look at that. Okay, doesn't it look nice at all? Like, you know, like wearing this, sitting on the bus, on the public transport, or just walking around in public, drinking coffee at a really nice bench outside, and just people were like staring, oh wow, this guy's wearing a really nice IEMs out there, probably cost a fortune. Well, this thing is probably like 1/5, 1/15 or 1/18 of the price of what you're probably paying for the IEMs itself. So it's really, really budget friendly and wallet friendly, and you get such high quality experience right here. And of course, IEM can be very, very fanciful on paper, but let's just see how it actually sounds like when you're listening to music. So I'm just listening directly from my phone, alright, directly into here, not with any like amplifier, any equalizer, any fine tuning, there's no mixer or anything, just pure audio directly from my phone itself. And I'm going to hear how this actually sounds. So without further ado, I'm going to just listen to a few songs, alright, and I'll give you guys my final verdict on is this really, really exactly what is said and how it will actually sound. So I'll see you guys in about 10 to 15 minutes time.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so I've actually listened to a few different audios, or some of my favorite songs, some with a really high bass, and all different kind of song basically. And I would say that this thing sounds really good on all kinds of songs basically, alright. And for me, I love classical songs, and this doesn't disappoint in the classical range. It sounds really, really good. I'm really impressed by the vocals. Everything is super clear, super crisp, and it just feels like, you know, I'm in the auditorium, you know, concert hall, and the singer is singing. It just feels very, very pleasant, very nice, and on those like super high frequency, it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. I know there's like certain, you know, pair of IEMs or even earbuds, alright, at certain frequencies, alright, you will feel like, you know, it's way too sharp for your ears that it feels uncomfortable. But I think because of the balance temperature inside here, it just balances the sound out, so it just doesn't feel too sharp on other ends. It just feels generally very, very good, very balanced, and overall I have a really great listening experience on this thing. I don't find any fault in it, alright. The bass, I would say that it wasn't very, very bass heavy, like, you know, it doesn't really produce a very, very strong kind of bass feel to it, but it's still generally very good for bass as well, but it's not maybe as good as if you're looking for a certain punch to it. It's probably not there. But if you're looking to this to listen to, like, you know, slow pace classical songs, this would be perfect for them. I mean, for me as a classical songs lover, I love like slow pace song. Alright, this thing is perfect for me. I don't find anything wrong with it. It just feels really, really natural, really nice, really crisp, and listen to other pop, jazz, EDM music, and they all sounds really, really good with this. So I'm really, really happy with this pair of IEMs right here. There's nothing much to complain about. So you're out there looking for a good pair of IEMs that, you know, serves you well and sounds really, really good, very balanced, and certain frequency that does not make you uncomfortable. This, alright, CCA Xyraa will be the perfect IEMs for you, and just looks so stylish, looks so modern, and just looks so exquisite, and it just looks very, very expensive to the naked eye itself. So yeah, and this, they also have said that you can use this for gaming as well, for much more clearer spatial awareness. Alright, but I don't have something to test on gaming, so I couldn't tell. But well, you're gonna take what is described on the paper word for it, but I'm mainly for using IEMs for listening to music. I wouldn't use it for gaming, but people have used it and they say it's much better and sounds clearer. And if you're playing first-person shooter or like open world like Battlegrounds or Warzone, it sounds better for the, you know, surrounding the, you know, the 3D audio, all this. So well, you guys gonna try it out, and probably if you guys have one of these and try it out, just let me know in the comment section as well how it actually sounds like, so people can know if you want to get this for gaming, how would it be. But overall, I will say that this is a very, very pleasant. I really, really love this pair of IEMs. Fits really well, and it doesn't feel very heavy. Although the front part is metallic, but it just doesn't feel heavy, and I can wear this for long hours without feeling any fatigue in my ears at all. and overall, such a pleasant experience using this. The sound on this is exceptionally good. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. Find today's video really interesting and you guys want me to review more, or there are certain IEMs that you want me to review, just leave it in the comments down below. And I see like most people want this specific brand or model of IEMs and you want me to review that, and I will get it and review it for you guys. Alright, so yeah, if you guys find today's video really interesting and really helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Alright, and you guys want more video like this, also can let me know in the comment section as well. And without further ado, alright, and before I end off this video, let's say that once again, if you want to check out this, CCA, alright, and Xyrra's IEMs, alright, you guys can check out the first link in the video screen down below and get this pair of IEMs for yourself right now. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today's video, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.